Hello everyone, my name is Wei-Chen, and this is my final project, Chatroom. I'm currently a high school student here in Cambridge, and I'm originally from Taipei, Taiwan. I'm excited to share my work today. Before I continue, here's a quick overview of some of my details. With that, let's move on to the detail of my project. The key features of my project includes logging in, real-time messaging, storing data, and showing data. I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as my frontend, Python and Flask as my backend, and SQLite as my database. Okay, let's try it out. On the login page, it checks our username and password. And it shows an error message if I enter an incorrect username or password. Now I'm going to log in as user 1, 2, and 3 to show how users can chat. Alright. And here, user 1 can say, and user 2 should see user 1 saying, I'm user 1. And user 2 can reply, hello, I'm user 2. And user 3 can see both of their messages and can reply, hi, I'm user 3. And that's it. This program taught me about building real-time web apps and handling database. I plan to add some more features in the future. Lastly, I want to thank CS50 and the team for inspiring my programming journey. Thank you.